Hello guys, welcome to Expert Crypto Free channel. Binance में अभी live है हम लोग, okay? We're live in Binance and uploading also record a video. We will record that video and upload it on YouTube, okay? So guys, I've already mentioned here to short Ethereum or 2830 level and also mentioned to short why we are sorting. Now, I have already mentioned in Telegram to take Ethereum long from 2430 is our second entry, and we are longing Ethereum from $2530. Okay, so I know some Iran Israel news, but the reason we are taking long, if if you are a new user and you think you just missed, just place a limit order of 2500 range Ethereum long. You can long Ethereum from that range. Okay, so it's a bullish pattern. We may see breakout. We may see breakout. Okay, this time, but first need to hold at least hold 2430 range. According to Bitcoin dominance, I have already mentioned USDT dominance need to hold. Sorry, need to break this zone. After all, we can see big rally, but USDT dominance hold this zone. That means we are going to see a dump. That's why I already sorting it. Okay. Now, USDT dominance showing? Okay. It's USDT dominance chart. It's forming a rising wedge pattern. Okay. A rising wedge pattern means it's a bearish pattern which is going to dump very soon. But it's holding currently. It's holding currently and just reclaim his channel. But its pattern need to break down $64.68 in a 4-hour time frame. Otherwise, we may see breakout of this range and we may see more dump. But it's not going to happen because we are going to see USDT dominance break down this time and we are going to see a rally in which? Rally in altcoin. Okay. So how many percentage if we calculate? It's nearly 5% from support. So it's around new low, around 61.20. We may see. Okay. Look guys here. Yesterday I have clearly mentioned use low leverage, but when someone use low leverage, it means you can use your high margin. Okay. In my signal. If I mentioned a risky trade, then you can use a small font size also. Okay. So I have clearly mentioned here. You can see that 25 from $2518. I have already mentioned to long Ethereum. Okay. And if you calculate Ethereum exactly pumped after our second entry. Okay. Second, just touch and go. You can see here. Okay. This is Ethereum chart. You can see here just Uh, you can leave 2.5 just exactly, exactly our second entry because our first entry nearly if we take a trade, our second entry at 2.8% SL. So it's go around 3 point something Ethereum. So our SL was 2433 dollar, but it's we close it once a 4 hour candle closing below 2430 dollar, but it's hold. It will hold because it's a support of Ethereum. Okay, we may see once again we may see Ethereum dumped from 2560 to 25479. It doesn't mean Ethereum is going to break down this trend line support trend line. We will take Ethereum long from 2540 dollars. Sorry, we average Ethereum here. But once Ethereum candle closes below this range, two two four 30 range, then we are going to close Ethereum and just swing Ethereum as short trade. Okay, so we may see a big dump in market, but it's not going to happen. Okay, because according to chart, we are going to see Ethereum is going to pump at least at least 3,800 dollar. Okay, 3,893 dollar at least Ethereum need to pump. But we are longing Ethereum from 25 here, 2520. But we may see a dump. I already mentioned we may see a dump in Ethereum ar- uh, around $50. Okay, so you can take Ethereum long if you see Ethereum at 2500 range. Okay, Ethereum long is running currently. Okay, so what EtherPi? It's EtherPi. Okay, as you can see, EtherPi is running. Sorry, currently forming a black bull flag pattern. Okay, what is bull flag pattern? Bull flag pattern is a bullish pattern, which means at least EtherPi is going to pump at least 220%. 220% means we are going to see EtherPi at around 4.670 dollar range. Okay, you know, guys, it's a bull flag, and bull flag from here, top from high, is going to 220%. It means once it break out of $1.34, we are going to see EtherFi at $4.70 range. Okay, so it's AI chart. AI just holding this range. We may see AI around this range. Okay, 1200 range. If you are a risky trader, okay, if you are a risky trader, when Ethereum is coming back to 2500 range, we are going to see it AI around 0.12 range. Okay, so we may long Ethereum from that range, 2500 range, and we also long AI AI from this range. Okay, 25 uh, sorry, 0.125012 range from long from AI. Okay, our SL will be 2.8%, and it's a swing trade. You can hold it as swing. So we are going to see a pump because if you see um silently, it's making a pattern. Okay, it's a we can say it's a bullish reversal pattern, but we may see a pump because you can see here. I don't think, but it's going to happen because Ethereum is bullish currently, and Ethereum dominate all altcoins. Guys, thank you so much for joining. And I hope you enjoy. I already mentioned two trades. First is Ethereum. We may see a dump in Ethereum. Again, we may see a dump in Ethereum, and we long Ethereum from 2530. If you are a new trader, then you can enter again or around $2470. Your average entry price will be 2500 range. So once you order filled, you are going to see a good pump in Ethereum because I have already mentioned to long Ethereum yesterday. It's our yesterday trade. Just it's a guidance. Take it as a guidance. Okay. And in AI, we also mentioned to long AI from 0.1 to double zero range. So guys, do one thing. You can take it as a leverage, high leverage trade like a 20x leverage. Your SL will be 0.11 this range. Your SL will be this range 1126. So you can take it as high leverage trade like a 20x leverage. Okay. If we are taking 20x leverage, our SL will be our second entry around this range, that is 1175 range. But you can hold, no need to enter in second entry because we will we are going to hold this as a swing trade. Okay, so you may see a big rally. So only take with 10x leverage. Okay, 10x leverage. If you taking 10x leverage, you can take you can take second entry around 1150 range. But if AI if AI 4-hour candle closing closes below this range, $1165 range, we will close this AI trade with loss. You have to book loss because it's market. Loss booking is important. Okay, so guys, this both trade is going to pump very soon. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. And if you are joining first time, so please like, share, subscribe. Okay, our expert crypto free channel. Thank you for joining, guys.